What's the meaning of advancing? Advancing. 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 Advancing refers to the act of moving forward, progressing, or making improvements. It can apply to various contexts, such as technology, science, education, and social issues. The result of advancing can include new discoveries, enhanced efficiency, increased productivity, improved quality of life, and more opportunities for growth and development. Advancements can also lead to challenges and risks, such as ethical dilemmas, environmental concerns, and economic inequality. However, overall, advancing is a positive force that helps individuals and societies adapt to change and achieve their goals.